Guys, hi, good afternoon. Kain tayo ng pananghalian, almusal at pananghalian. Meron tayong piniritong talong, mangga. Siyempre, sausawan natin toyo at kamatis. Tapos may karning baboy pa dito. Hindi ko alam kung kailan pa. Ito kasi. Ay, na rin.
Congratulations na ako agad. Hindi, wow. Sarap rin.
Hindi, ito
Uy, sino ako?
Sarap ng talong.
Halo. Halo, Sisi Chuda. Oh, mas
Then, may mangga. Nakit.
Si ano eh. Ganda niya eh.
Kabin.
Chinese yan eh. Sarap rin. Mabari. Asin.
Passengers nearby began to applaud, and some even gave a standing ovation. She told the flight attendant, "I can't sit next to this man." The flight attendant nodded.
Meron pa. Magsisikan batch pa ako. Plain. Good.
There are no more seats, but I'll check your
สวัสดีจ้าลูกชายล่ะยินดีต้อนรับนะคะยินดีต้อนรับ12,000 users
available in first class. The attendant, it is not our policy to move someone from economy to first class, but
ส
considering
วัสดีค่ะยินดีต้อนรับนะคะ
she straightened, ready. Before she could speak, the attendant turned and looked at the black man beside her. Therefore, sir, if you would kindly collect your belongings, we would be pleased to transfer you to first class. The captain does not wish for you to sit next to an unpleasant person. For a moment, silence. Then suddenly, passengers nearby began to applaud, and some even gave a standing ovation.
Dagang mo rin sa akin. Ni Chuda. Mabot ang 31 yung kanila eh. Sa akin hindi pa. May 20. Good. Wow. Wow, 20 rooms. Pizza na ako masali. Mang-ano lang ako ng diamond. Alam mo yung coin ko, abot na ng 100 plus. Withdraw ko na. Ano na naman ako kanina. 50 plus na naman ako. Oh. Nagbibigay din ako kasi pag may nagbigay sa akin, binigyan ako ng 5. Oh. Kahit isa lang yan, nakita lang nila na nag-send ka rin. Si mami ko din na sumayaw, binigyan ko 2. Wala na tayong bagoong rin? Meron? Mamaya na ako na ikik pag abot na ako ng 20.
Rap.
Di rin masin. Sana mag-sync din ng ganyan sa akin, Pag magbabatil kami ni mami talaga. Sisiguraduhin ko yan, may ganyan. Heart.